welcome to this Tim's Minions 5-minute mini tutorial, and in this video we're going to show you how to turn your affiliate links that you have in your blog posts into the important no-follow links. Okay, so here we are in one of my posts and I want to link to an affiliate product, but all links to affiliate products really need to be no-follow links. So, for example, if I went down here and this is Hootsuite, this is a link that I have linked to Hootsuite. Now, if that was an affiliate link, as an example, I would want to have that as the no-follow link. Now, this looks slightly different to your normal WordPress dashboard, and that is because I am using CK Editor plugin, which allows me to write my posts in Microsoft Word, and then I can copy them directly from Word into WordPress. And it also keeps the layout and formation of where the images are. Now, I've also installed a plugin called Ultimate No Follow plugin, which allows me to add a no follow piece of code to any link. So for example, here, as you can see, I've got the Hootsuite. If I click on the link, it tells me that I'm actually linking this to a blog post over on Claire Trabes. This is clairetrabes.com, but there's no way of clicking a no follow box, which is a shame because I've actually got the plugin installed. So what I need to do is I need to go to plugins. So if I'm going to, first of all, I'll go to plugins, and you'll see I've got the CK editor for WordPress. So I'm now just going to click on deactivate. Now, other editor plugins might work with the plugin that if I just scroll down here, Ultimate No Follow. That's the plugin that you want. Ultimate No Follow. Okay, and that's activated. So I've now deactivated my CK editor plugin. What I normally do is I write my post, I do my links in Word, and then I'll copy everything straight into WordPress, and then I would normally edit the link so that it opens up in a blank window, so I still keep my website open. But because I want to edit some of them to be no follow, there's two ways of doing this, and I'm going to show you this version now because you might not use the same editor as me. So if I go back to posts, and I go to the post that I was in, and I'll click on the edit button, and as you can see now I'm in the WordPress basic editor. There is a paste from Word button there, but for some reason when I use from Word in this WordPress editor, it doesn't tend to keep the images in the place where I want them. So I always use the CK editor, which, as I said, which is fine for copying and pasting from Word. But when it comes to things like links, and you want to add a no follow, the plugins don't seem to match, they don't work with each other. So, okay, so there's the Hootsuite. It's now got the link. I'm going to go to the edit button. Now you'll see that there is this box here where it says add rel equals no follow to the link. So if I now click on that and then click on update, that has added that piece of code to that link. So if I now go into text, I'll try and look for the Hootsuite link. Here's the code now. As you can see, that there is the Hootsuite bit is there, which is the word. There's the link that is associated with it, and as you can see, it's now actually saying at the end rel equals no follow. Okay, now the other option is when you have a link, is you actually type that word rel no follow. If I just copy that, and then you go say you wanted to add it to an image, all affiliate banners and all affiliate links to post should be no follow. And at the bottom here I have, if I just click on the visual and scroll down, there is an image for the 30-minute infographics package by John Banks. If I go back to text, you'll see that it isn't a no follow. I've got my target equals underscore blank, which means that I am opening up their sale page in a different window. I'm still keeping my blog post open because I don't want to lose traffic. But if I just paste that into there, now that adds the no follow link actually to that code. The one thing you do need to be aware of, and I had problems with this earlier on, so if I go to visual, then I go back to text and scroll down, there you go, you see WordPress has now added the and quote rubbish into that. I don't want that in there, so I'm going to delete that. That is what I need. So if you need to, instead of pasting, you'll probably want to actually type that in, which is rel equals speech mark no follow speech mark. Okay, so what I'm going to do quickly is just open up and I'm going to paste that there. So this is one little quick little quick trick, just to, if you're not sure what your code is and you start to write it out and you can't remember, which is rel equals speech mark no follow. If you're always unsure of what you're doing and when you're writing things, you can just double check and you can see I've done exactly as it is. Okay, so what you need to do next then is just scroll down and then click the update button, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to click on update. So scroll down, there we have the no follow tag on there, and if we scroll back up, what I am going to do is I'm just going to scroll back up and I'm now going to untag the Hootsuite link, and I'm going to do that mainly because it's not an affiliate, it's actually a blog post and I want that site to have the do follow link. So I've highlighted that. I'm going to go back to the edit, and for this purpose I'm just going to update that, so that's now taken the no follow tag off there. Again, if you don't use CK Editor, that's all fine, but I'm now going to go back to my plugin and I'm going to install that plugin, and I'm just going to quickly show you. So I'm going to scroll down CK Editor for WordPress, and I'm going to activate that. Sometimes it may feel a bit of a clap, but it really isn't. If you have a sort of a system, you know what you're doing, it's fine. Now I'm going to go back down to that post and edit. What I am going to do is go back down to the Hootsuite. Here we go. I'm going to highlight that again, click on the link, and this time if you're going to check the target, I'm going to set as a new window blank and press OK, because with the CK Editor one you can actually edit the link so that it opens up in a new window. Why it doesn't have a do follow or no follow link, I'm not quite sure, but okay, so I'm now going to just update that. So there are two important things to have when you're linking out, and that is that when you're linking to other posts, it's advised that you have the post open up in a new blank window, because if you don't, as soon as they click on your link in your post, that post will open up and your website will close down. And yes, they can press the back button, but ideally it'd be nice to have your website still open so they can come back to it. Some people argue that it can be left open and they never come back to it. That's bad, but it's always handy to have your window open, because then people can flick between the two. People don't want to be going back and losing the page, so it's nice to have your page, your website still open along with the one that you've linked to. And the other important thing is, as I said, when you're linking to quality websites and posts which are information based, such as friends' blogs or Wikipedia and stuff like that, it's often good to have those as do follow links, because Google like to track through all your links. And if you are linking to affiliate websites or affiliate promotions, then they often need to be no follow. You can be penalised, I believe, for having do follow links to lots of affiliate sites. So it is worthwhile making sure that all your links are no follow to affiliate products and do follows to good quality information based websites. To learn more about social media, internet marketing, blogging and how to make money online, please go to www.timsminions.com.